Oh yes, friends, 2 garlands from Micheals. Wait till you see what we are going to do. So I joined 2 of them together and fluffed them up a little bit and draped them on my staircase. Now you can drape them however you like, however you prefer. I like the swag look, and I'm just fluffing, and I used zip tie where I wanted to tie them. I went ahead and put lights on first, and I'm gonna tell you that I also put more lights after I finish decorating my garland. So when you're putting the lights, of course, make sure that you bring the plug where you need it. Went ahead and used this green with berries pick from Hobby Lobby and a red magnolia from Hobby Lobby. And I just joined the 2 together, keeping the berries also a little bit in the back. I went ahead and zip tied that onto my rail where the swag goes up. We're making a very pretty bow, and you can watch the tutorial for this bow on my YouTube channel. And just attach it to the top part of the little swag that we put in there. And again, I use zip ties. Fluff that up, curl your ribbons, cut them to the length that you need. And with the longer tails, I like to keep some in the front and bring some in the back, as it is a part that you can see of my stairs. Just curl them up and bring them down. I used deco mesh cut at 20 inches, made simple ruffles, and just went around my garland. Now for time purposes, during this live video, I only decorated one section of my garland, but I will continue the video so that you can see the whole foyer finished. Just bring your gold mesh, and you don't have to use mesh. I went ahead and used my red 2.5 inch and another decorative ribbon in 1.5 inch and just looped it all the way on my section, all the way down, going in a zigzag motion. If you prefer to go straight in the center, you can also do that. And bring that all the way down. And I chose to cut my tail rather short because I do have a different project that I will finish off the end of my rail for. For my ornaments, I do not prefer to glue them on, so I just took a long jewelry wire, and I'm just putting my ornaments in and twisting them and making my own ornament garland, basically. I know Micheals has those beautiful garland with ornaments. However, they were too big for my type of project. So I just made my own. And just go ahead and attach it. This will make it easy to take it down if you don't do the same project year after year. If you do, you can also go ahead and zip tie everything in. I went in with another greenery that it's a lighter green with some berries and just put it here and there throughout my garland. I did not glue it. I simply twist tied it with the pine branches on my garland. And some finishing touches. That's going to be the steps that I'll repeat on each section. So stay tuned and you'll see the whole foyer soon.